This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to connect Steam to your Discord account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Both Steam and Discord are popular services available for game users. Steam is a video game digital distribution service managed by Valve, whereas Discord is an instant message app for gamers to communicate with each other. So how to connect your Steam to Discord? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now you can go to user settings. From user settings, you can go to connection. You can select on connection in here. As you can see in here, I have link connect my Roblox account and Spotify and also my Twitch account. So you can select on Steam icon here to connect your Steam account to your Discord. After that, you can just log in to your Steam account. You can enter your username and also the password, or you can also log in with your mobile phone. You can scan this QR code to log in, so you don't have to enter your username and also the password. So I will try to scan the QR code to log into my Steam account. I will log in like this. You can wait. After that, so I have logged into my Steam account. You can select on login. You can just wait, and now Discord is connecting to Steam account. There is a notification connected your Steam account to Discord. It means you have connected your Steam account to your Discord. Now you can see on the connection, there's your Steam account. And if you open your profile, you can display it on your profile. I will show you my profile. So if someone visit your Discord profile, they can see your Steam account. And if they click on that, they'll find your Steam account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to connect Steam account to your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!